What's going on YouTube? Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'll be doing an unboxing and a review of the blue Snowball ice condenser microphone. Alright, now you can get this microphone on Amazon.com and you're going to pay $39.99 to $47.99. Now it comes in two colors, black and white. Now the reason I gave you two prices is because for the black version you'll pay $39.99 and for the white version you'll pay $47.99. That says it has a custom condenser capsule, offers crystal clear audio for Skype, messages, and FaceTime, records vocals, create podcasts, and add narration to your home movies. Add crystal clear audio to recordings for your YouTube. Easy plug and play directly to your Mac or PC. No drivers to install. Alright, so let's check it out. The box, you see it's by Blue microphone, Skype certified, plug and play. Like they say, you plug it right into your PC or your Mac and it's good to go. You don't have to install any drivers. Now, the system requirements is for Windows, you need Windows 8, at least Windows 8, Windows 7 Vista, XP Home Edition, or XP Professional. You need USB 1.0 or 2.0, 64 megabytes of RAM minimum. Alright, now for Mac, you need Mac OS X 10.4.6 or higher. You need USB 1.0 or 2.0 and 64 megabytes of RAM minimum. Now it says use with iPad. Now I've never heard you be able to use an external microphone with an iPad, but it says Apple iPad camera connection kit. So I guess if you have the Apple iPad camera connection kit, you can use this microphone with an iPad, which I might have to check that out because I do have an iPad and I'm just curious to see it. Alright, so on the box, nothing, alright, we'll go to this side. It says sound as cool as you look. Son, oh, that's some other language. But it has a custom condenser capsule, offers crystal clear audio, and plug in with a USB cable, rugged adjustable mic stand. Alright, now it says it improves audio quality on Skype, Twitch, and FaceTime, and crystal clear audio for recordings on YouTube, create podcasts. We already read all this. This is the same stuff from the other side. Alright, so let's open this up. We didn't do enough talking. Alright, so lay this down like that. Ripping the box up, which I didn't want to do. I'm trying to be gentle, y'all. I'm trying to be gentle, but they making it real hard. Alright. So we got two boxes. Alright, so roll off the table. This is your Snowball right here. Yeah, nice little tight baggie. This is what it looks like. Alright. I like that color. It's like a chromish, black and chrome look. You got a red indicator. Snowball ice is where you plug microphone into. This is where the stand goes into. Okay. Let's see if we can keep it there without rolling anywhere. Alright. And we open this side of the box. Got your microphone, you got your cable, and you got a microphone USB booklet, instruction booklet. Alright, so let's look out for that real quick. Okay, so I mean this is self-explanatory. You just thread it in there. Shouldn't be anything difficult. Simple like that. Okay, and it's in there just like that. All right. Microphone stand breaks it down like that. And you have your cable right here, which is your USB cable, and it goes into your computer, into the microphone, just like that. It's in there. Okay. And then you got this end, it goes into the microphone. So let's check this out. I'm gonna open up an audio recording program, and we're gonna see what it's hitting for. Alright, so you just take this part right here and plug it in to a USB drive, a USB port. Okay, when you plug it in, you get a light right here. It says it's setting up device for Snowball microphone. Alright, so now we're in the wave editor program, and this is what it looks like. So we're just going to try to record the track and see what it sounds like. If we're getting audio from the microphone. So I got the microphone up to me now. Let's see. Hit record. Yo, what's going on? DO, aka Bonds Urban Tech Reviews. And today on the channel, I'll be doing a unboxing and review of the blue Snowball microphone. Let me know if y'all like that. So we stop it right there, save it as a capture or whatever, and now we can check it out on the timeline. You see it comes up on here. So let's see. Yo, what's going on? DO, aka Bonds Urban Tech Reviews. And today on the channel, I'll be doing an unboxing and review of the blue Snowball microphone. Let me know if y'all like that. I don't know what I did from this point to the next point, but it was really loud, then it got really low. So let me try to record something else and see how it is if I do not remove the microphone. Alright, now let me make sure that the settings is all set to where they're supposed to be. So it says blue Snowball microphone as my audio device, so it did come out of that. I will have to make sure of that, and you can choose other options. You got the microphones, the built-in microphones. Okay, so audio input level, you can change that, which I don't want to mess with that. You can go into the mixer and change that, which I ain't gonna mess with that. We're just trying to deal with the microphone. So let's check it out. I'm not gonna touch the microphone this time. Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Dio, aka Bonds Urban Tech Reviews. Alright, so now let's play it. Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Dio, aka Bonds Urban Tech Reviews. Alright, so that was without me moving anything or touching anything, you know what I mean? So that's the way it's supposed to sound. It sounded good. And I mean, this microphone could be good, like they said, for if you want to do game commentary, if you just want to use it to do voiceovers on reviews or anything, you know, if you shoot outside footage and the audio really wasn't that good, you can use it to redo the audio, or you know, you can use it if you got an Elgato and stuff like that, you know what I mean? If you use OBX or OBS or whatever, if you use any of that stuff, this microphone will be good for you. I'm not going to say this is a recording microphone as far as doing music. I wouldn't give it that. You know what I mean? So if you're gonna be trying to do music, this is probably not the microphone for you, because it wouldn't be able to handle probably highs and lows and stuff like that. This microphone is not built for that. This is a simple microphone, and I mean, you can do it, but like I said, you're not gonna get the sound that you really need to do music, you know. But like I said, it's pretty decent, and I ain't gonna knock it. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. It does what it's supposed to do. What is DOAKABONDS Urban Tech Reviews? If you like this video, click that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that easily by clicking on the little Android guy in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you're not following me on all my social media sites, all you got to do is click the description, go into the description, click every one of those links, and you can follow me on every one of my social media sites. And we out.